Hey nature fans, today we are exploring the cool story of evolution. Get ready for the fun trip through the time as we learn how life started and turned it into the awesome creature we see today. Let's go back billions of years ago when Earth was just a baby. Most of it was covered in oceans and there wasn't any life yet. But in those early oceans, some amazing chemistry was happening. Simple stuff was mixing together and mixing more complicated stuff. Among all of that, the building block of life, like amino acids and nucleotides, started coming together. This process called abiogenesis led the first tiny life forms. The first living things were super tiny, just one cell. They were like tiny survival experts able to live in crazy places like a scorching hot spring or deep dark ocean vents. Even though they were small, these single-celled organisms like bacteria and archaea were super important. They helped shape the Earth's early environment and set the stage for more complex life to come. In simple and one sentence, they increased the oxygen in atmosphere. As time went on and things got more comfy on Earth, some cells decided to team up. This was a big deal. It's led to bigger, more complex organisms made up of lots of cells working together, from simple blobs to fancy plants and animals. Multicellularity opened up a whole new world of possibilities for evolution because now different cell can come together and shape more complex creature. Before then, bacteria or one cell or archaea, they had to do everything by their self. But now our heart do something, our liver do something else, our lung do something else, and that's how multicellularity help evolution and create more complex creation. Nowadays, Earth is like a giant party with life everywhere, from a steamy jungle to icy poles. There are so many different creatures, each with its own special place to live. Millions of species, big and small, show off the incredible variety of life on our planet. Evolution is all about adapting to survive. Over time, living things change to fit their environment better. Sometimes these changes are so big that new species are born. This happens when groups of organisms evolve in different ways and they can't mate with each other anymore. It's like nature's way of making sure every species has its own niche. And finally, we arrive to human. Humans are like the superheroes of evolution. We are come a long way from our ancient ancestors using our big brains and teamwork to do some pretty amazing stuff. The evolution is not always to go do better and better and better. For instance, humans lose tails and they can't go up the trees easily, or they lose fur, make them vulnerable to severe heat or severe cool. But our brain gets bigger, not bigger exactly, more complex, more advanced, and more advanced brain helps us to communicate with each other. The most superior point we have compared to other similar animals like apes is we can communicate better and we can impart our knowledge to next generation. So step by step, generation by generation, humans become more advanced and make more and more technology. That's the tiny difference we have from our ancestors. Looking back to the story of evolution, it's incredible to see how life has changed and adapt over the time. Thanks for joining us on this awesome journey through the wonders of evolution. If you like learning about it, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more fun nature facts. Keep exploring and celebrating the amazing world of life on Earth.